Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. I decided to break down my Graphic 45 design team package for the summer 2018 into 3 different videos. Reason being because there are some new collections that I want to do flip throughs for, and I just didn't want it to make the video way too long. So with this one, we're going to begin with the Graphic 45 Imagine collection. Sitting in front of me, I have the Ephemera Cards, I have the 8x8 paper pad, I have the 12x12 paper pack collection, and the chipboards. So let me start with the Ephemera Cards. The Ephemera Cards come in a package, in a smaller package, and I don't have it in, oh, here it is. It comes in a package like this. Reason I removed it is because I wanted to show these to you and because of all that glare. So let's start with this. We have these gorgeous ephemera card, and here we go. This is what the back looks like. They're absolutely enchanting. And what I'm liking, I've already gone through the entire book on my own, and what I'm loving about this collection is that you can take this collection in several different ways. You can shabby chic it, like you can do something vintage with it, like you can also do steampunk with it. And I thought that was amazing how they did that. So I'm really loving this collection. There we go. And look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that gorgeous? I just love the colors that they incorporated into the Imagine collection. Here's what that looks like. And look at this. Oh, I hope they come out with a die. For this. This is so beautiful. I am loving that teapot with the clock. And look at that. It's just absolutely amazing. And like so. So these are the ATC size cards that you get from the Ephemera pack. And let me just kind of sort of do this like this. Okay, and I'll put these to the side, and now let me show you I think these are 4x6. Let me see, hang on just a second. Yes, these are the 4x6, and the ones that I just finished showing you are the 3x4s. So let's look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love this. Love it. Look at that. Just amazingly gorgeous. And this is the back. Gorgeous papers. Like so. And beautiful. Like so. This is one of my favorites. I just love the artistry in it. It's gorgeous. You could just take these and mat them, put them on and put them in a frame and just put them up on your wall. They're that beautiful. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I am so loving this. Just like so. And look at that. Sorry about that. That was my doggy barking in the background. And there we go. So let me put these to the side. Now, in the 12x12 collection, what you get is the sticker sheet, of course. And let me see if I could show you the designs real well on this. And you get sayings, and you get fun stickers, and you get borders. So there's the sticker sheet. And here's the 12x12 collection. And what you get in the 12x12 pack is the 2 of each of the 8 double-sided 12x12 papers plus a 12x12 cover weight sticker. And once again, this is the new Imagine collection. And Look at this. This is gorgeous. And this is what the back looks like. And let me set this to the side. These beautiful flowers. I'm going to be making a mini album with this. It's so gorgeous. So what do you think I should do with this? Should I go shabby chic, or should I go steampunk, or should I go vintage on this? I'm thinking either steampunk or shabby chic. Look at this. I love how these clocks match their clock die that they have out. It's beautiful. Oh gosh, I'm in love with these teapots. They are gorgeous, super gorgeous. So let me know in the comments area whether I should go shabby chic on the mini album or steampunk. 'Cause that'll be fun. And what I will do is I'll check out your comments, and then I'll come out with a tutorial for this mini album, and I'll surprise you. I'll surprise you with it. Oh my goodness, look at these butterflies. They're so pretty. Here we go. Just like so. And here's more ephemera cards that you can trim down to size if you wish. Beautiful, beautiful collection. And this is the back. Oh, I just love the colors that they used. There we go. And this is absolutely adorable. Love it, love it, love it. It's like shabby chic meets steampunk. I just love this. And this is what the back looks like. So we've gone through the entire 12 by 12 paper pack. Let me put these to the side. And the 8 by 8 paper pack is pretty much the same thing, the same designs, except of course it's going to be on an 8 by 8 level. Beautiful, beautiful papers. So this is pretty much the same exact thing. Okay, and then we have the chipboard pieces. Yeah, let me do it like so. I didn't want to remove these out of the plastic bag because once the plastic bag is off, you know how these tend to just pop right out. So I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to open these until I use them. So let me show them like this to you so that you can see. And I apologize for the glare. Okay, and so this is the new Graphic 45 Imagine collection. I will be leaving you a link to Graphic 45 and the collection in the description area below. Thank you so very much for watching, and be on the lookout for my next video. Bye now.